Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest and most flavorful ways of eating. Traditionally, in the Mediterranean, lunch was the biggest meal of the day and was eaten in the early afternoon, usually before nap time. Nowadays, those who work during the day eat a smaller lunch and then have their big meal at night. What is eaten for lunch varies greatly from country to country and person to person. In Greece, they might have a Greek salad with bread. In Italy, they might have leftover pasta. In Lebanon, they might have hummus with vegetables and a pita. A Mediterranean lunch really can be made up of almost anything a Mediterranean breakfast or dinner is made up of. Leftovers are eaten often, sometimes just made into something a bit different. Here are some of our favorite Mediterranean diet lunch ideas. 1. Greek salad with chickpeas. A Greek salad is a quintessential Mediterranean dish, but adding chickpeas turns it into a more substantial meal packed with protein and fiber. Traditional Greek salad consists of crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, red onions, Kalamata olives, and crumbled feta cheese. The addition of chickpeas enhances the dish's texture while providing plant-based protein and fiber to keep you full for longer. How to make it? Combine chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, and Kalamata olives in a bowl. Add a can of rinsed chickpeas. Sprinkle with crumbled feta cheese. For the dressing, mix olive oil, fresh lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of oregano. Toss the salad and serve with a side of whole grain bread. This salad is rich in antioxidants, healthy fats from olive oil, and fiber from chickpeas, making it a perfect light but satisfying lunch. 2. Mediterranean veggie wrap. For a quick and portable lunch, a Mediterranean veggie wrap is an ideal choice. This wrap is loaded with fresh vegetables, hummus, and creamy feta, all wrapped in a whole grain tortilla. It's a great way to get a variety of nutrients in a convenient package. How to make it? Spread a generous layer of hummus on a whole grain tortilla. Add sliced cucumbers, bell peppers, shredded carrots, and spinach. Sprinkle crumbled feta cheese and add sliced avocado. Drizzle a bit of tahini or lemon juice for extra flavor. Roll up the tortilla tightly and slice it in half. The combination of fresh vegetables, healthy fats from avocado and tahini, and fiber from the whole grain wrap makes this a nutritious and filling lunch option. 3. Quinoa tabbouleh bowl. Tabbouleh is a traditional Mediterranean salad made with parsley, mint, tomatoes, and bulgur. For a gluten-free option, quinoa can be used in place of bulgur, providing a complete protein source while keeping the dish light and refreshing. How to make it? Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a large bowl, mix finely chopped parsley, mint, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Add the quinoa and toss everything together. Dress with olive oil, fresh lemon juice, salt, and pepper. For added flavor, sprinkle pomegranate seeds on top. This quinoa tabbouleh bowl is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The fresh herbs provide anti-inflammatory properties, while the quinoa delivers protein and fiber, making this a perfect midday meal. 4. Grilled veggie and halloumi salad. Halloumi is a popular cheese in Mediterranean cuisine, especially in Cyprus. Its firm texture makes it perfect for grilling, adding a salty, satisfying element to salads. Combined with grilled vegetables, this salad is both filling and flavorful. How to make it? Slice halloumi cheese and grill it until it's golden brown on both sides. Grill vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and eggplant. Toss the grilled veggies with arugula or spinach. Add the grilled halloumi on top and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. The grilled halloumi adds a deliciously salty and savory flavor, while the vegetables provide vitamins and fiber. This salad is an excellent option for those who want a hearty, nutrient-dense lunch. 5. Mediterranean tuna salad. Tuna is a common ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine, known for being a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein. Instead of traditional mayonnaise-based tuna salad, This version uses olive oil and fresh herbs for a lighter, Mediterranean-style dish. How to make it: drain a can of tuna in olive oil, or water if preferred. Mix the tuna with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onions, and Kalamata olives. Add a tablespoon of capers for extra flavor and saltiness. Toss with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Serve over mixed greens, or stuffed in a pita. This Mediterranean tuna salad is full of healthy fats, protein, and fresh flavors, making it a quick and nutritious lunch option that can be prepared ahead of time. 6. Mediterranean lentil soup. Lentils are a staple in the Mediterranean diet, providing a rich source of protein, fiber, and iron. This Mediterranean lentil soup is not only hearty and comforting, but also incredibly easy to make, perfect for a cozy lunch. How to make it: sauté chopped onions, garlic, and carrots in olive oil until softened. Add dried lentils, a can of crushed tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Season with cumin, salt, and pepper. Simmer until the lentils are tender, about 25 minutes. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and garnish with chopped parsley. This lentil soup is filling and packed with nutrients like fiber and iron, while the fresh lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor that complements the earthy lentils. It's perfect for meal prep and can be stored in the fridge for several days. 7. Falafel with tzatziki and salad. Falafel is a traditional Mediterranean dish made from ground chickpeas and herbs, fried to a golden crisp. Served with a refreshing tzatziki sauce and a simple salad, this meal is both satisfying and packed with protein and fiber. How to make it: prepare falafel using ground chickpeas, garlic, parsley, cumin, and coriander. Form the mixture into small balls and fry until crispy. Serve the falafel with a side of tzatziki sauce, made from Greek yogurt, cucumber, garlic, and lemon juice. Pair it with a salad of cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions, dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. This combination of crispy falafel, creamy tzatziki, and a fresh salad makes for a perfect Mediterranean lunch that's rich in plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fresh vegetables. 8. Stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and feta. Stuffed bell peppers are a great way to enjoy a flavorful and filling Mediterranean-style meal. This version uses quinoa as the base, combined with vegetables, herbs, and feta cheese for a nutritious and delicious lunch. The colorful peppers add a rich source of vitamins, while quinoa provides plant-based protein. How to make it: cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool slightly. Sauté onions, garlic, and chopped zucchini in olive oil until softened. Mix the cooked quinoa with the sautéed vegetables, crumbled feta cheese, chopped parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds. Stuff the peppers with the quinoa mixture and place them in a baking dish. Drizzle olive oil over the peppers and bake at 375 degrees Celsius, 190 degrees, for about 25-30 minutes, until the peppers are tender and slightly charred. This dish is both hearty and light, providing fiber, protein, and healthy fats. The sweetness of the roasted peppers, combined with the savory quinoa and feta mixture, makes for a delicious and balanced meal. Plus, it's a perfect dish for meal prep and can be easily reheated for a quick and nutritious lunch throughout the week.